We're at softball stage, on our way to Buttermilk Fudge candy. Hey everybody, Katsy here. Saturday evening, which was yesterday, I made some old-fashioned buttermilk fudge. Here is my fudge. I already took a bite out of it, but I wanted to take another bite in front of you all so you could see what I get to taste. Buttery. Tastes a little bit like caramel and butterscotch. Instead of regular salt, at the end of the recipe, I threw in a bit of pink Himalayan salt. So it's really got a great sweet, salty, pecan, crunchy punch going on. Homemade buttermilk fudge. Good old-fashioned goodness.